Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a step-by-step guide how you can easily start your own non-profit in Tennessee. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own non-profit. And why do I like Incfile? Only because it's going to be effective, fast, and secure. And you're not going to spend so much time researching stuff because someone is going to do it for us to start a non-profit. So click here, start my business. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna have LLC here, choose that non-profit, and state of formation, you want to find Tennessee. Yeah, and I'm probably blind. Here it is. And then you're going to have three packages, silver, gold, and platinum. With the silver, you're going to have the basics. So preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent services for a year. But with the gold package, you're going to have like everything with the one-time transparent payment, and you're going to have the corporation bylaws, business tax number, IRS form, lifetime company alerts. So you will have covered everything. And then you're gonna have also with platinum the expedited filling, so you learn how your LLC is filled. I know how the non-profit is going to be filled faster. Excuse me. And then business contract templates, domain name, business email. If you need those, go with the platinum. But if no, the gold is going to be sufficient. And when you will have it, click here, get the gold package. Then you have to add a first name, last name, email. So I'll go Marcus Stonelius email. And then phone number. So I will simply add Tennessee. Phone number, and then you have to add a street address, city, and state. And then when you have it, you're gonna add zip code. Now when you got it, click next here. And then you're gonna have, should your nonprofit corporation have members? Most small nonprofits are like not to have a formal membership structure, and thus avoid documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. So here you're gonna have the 96% selection rate. The nonprofit will not have members, or the nonprofit will have members. So you choose that. And then you're gonna have the general purpose and nonprofit, 96% selection rate if you're public benefit corporation, and 4% if you're religious. My recommendation is, again, if you're gonna be religious, choose religious and not have members. That's the guide here. Click next here. Then you're gonna have the state filling time. So if you don't want to wait 3 weeks, you can simply choose 3 business days for filling your nonprofit. Then you could choose the gold package, and then you have to add a nonprofit name. So I'll simply add here Marcus Tonelius and designator, let's say incorporated. Select a number of directors and owners. I'm going to have like 3 minimal, and business purpose. So I'll write here marketing services for small business owners. And then you're gonna have industry. So let's say marketing consulting services. If you're in other nonprofit category, you choose that industry right here. And then company address information, again, you would add it. And when you have it, mailing address information is the same as the company above, yes. And then you're gonna have the option to upgrade for premium service package. So right here, you can easily upgrade with 25 high quality legal documents. And then you're gonna find the main and business email address. And you can click here, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Then you're gonna have directors here. And you have to fill all the directors. And then you have to add officer information. So president, CEO, secretary, and then treasurer, and then vice president. So here you would add all the officer informations. And when you'll have it, you're going to press next here. Then you're going to have the registered agent information here. So you're going to have option to have and assign Incfile as your registered agent completely for the first year, which is amazing. And that's what I recommend to do, is not to have it covered by yourself, but choose someone to do it for you. So you'll have less administration to take care of. And when it's free, it's amazing. So let's click next again here. And then you're going to have the tax identification number. So you would add a first name, last name, and SSN number. And then physical street address. Now, when you got it, you're going to press next here again. And when you all got it, you're going to have option to have an account with Bank of America. So you can do it if you want. And you can easily open your new account over the phone. And you can, yes, please have Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. And then press next again here. And then tax strategy free consultation. So you'll learn here like everything about non-profit, how it works, how to reduce stuff, how everything is taxed. So this is amazing, and I would recommend that yes, have it too here. And press next again here. And then you're gonna have another thing, and that's a review order. So here you would like understand all the information, and you can easily review what you see here, and then press next here. And then you're gonna have the billing information. So first name, last name, street address, and card. And when you're gonna have everything from here, you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.